Hello students. So already we have completed spermatogenesis. Few things are left there that we'll study now. That is the changes that occurs from spermatid to sperm, or what changes occur from spermatid to sperm. So we'll see. So this is your spermatid and this is your spermatozoa or sperm. So what changes occur from this structure to that we'll see. First of all we'll see nucleus, change in nucleus. So nucleus in DNA will remain and basic protein will remain. It will get condensed, nucleus will get condensed and the acidic protein will be removed. Only DNA will be containing basic protein and nucleus will be containing DNA and basic protein. All the acidic protein are removed. And second point is nucleus will get elongated. Elongated means it will become pointed towards the tip. See, it will narrow and pointed towards the tip, or oval shape koi pariba. It will become oval shape anteriorly. So we'll see this is the nucleus of the sperm. Next, second change kon observe kariba in Golgi body. Golgi body. So Golgi body will divide into two parts. One will be acrosome and the other is Golgi rest. Means one part, Golgi is divided into two parts. One part will be your acrosome, the larger part, the bigger part is your acrosome, and the smaller part, small part is called your Golgi rest. So this Golgi rest will get degenerated. The Golgi rest will get degenerated and the acrosome will remain. This acrosome contains sperm lysine, different types of enzyme, and that enzyme is called as your sperm lysine. This acrosome will be containing different types of enzyme and this enzyme is called as sperm lysine. So what is the work of this enzyme sperm lysine? It will degenerate the wall of the egg. When the sperm comes in contact with the egg, degenerate, or you can say destroy, simple word. It will destroy the wall of egg or ovum. So this is the work of sperm lysine. Next, third point, third change that you'll see is that in this structure, so once again see this figure here, above this nucleus we will see acrosome like this. It will form here. It forms the tip of the sperm. Acrosome forms the tip of the sperm. So this is acrosome and this is your nucleus. So these two structure forms the sperm head. Okay, this is the sperm head. And in the neck portion, the centrioles are concentrated in the neck portion. So third point is centriole. So we'll see different centrioles which are present in this neck region of the structure. Next, fourth point, mitochondria. Mitochondria will arrange themselves like this in a spring-like or spiral-like manner. So the mitochondria will arrange themselves in a spiral-like manner. Okay, and this spiral-like arrangement of mitochondria is called as your Nebenkern. Is called as Nebenkern, and this forms the middle piece. So you'll see like this. Like this, and the last part is your tail of the sperm. So in this entire structure we'll see that cytoplasm is present only in the tail portion of the sperm. Cytoplasm is present only in the tail portion of the sperm. So this is the head portion of the sperm, this is the neck portion, this is the head, this is the neck, and this section is called as a middle piece, and this is called as a tail of the sperm. So these are the changes. So from this rounded structure, this sperm form, or from spermatid sperm form. So these are the changes which are seen. Next we'll see significance of spermatogenesis. What are the significance of spermatogenesis? So first is, one spermatogonium produces 4 sperm. So in this flow chart you see this point, one spermatogonium. Which is the spermatogonium here? These are the spermatogonium. So one spermatogonium will form 4 sperms. Next significance, it maintains the chromosome number of the species. Spermatogenesis maintains the chromosome number of the species. How? Because देखो जेतबेले हमर स्पर्म फॉर्म होची, स्पर्म कोन हैप्लॉइड ना डिप्लॉइड? हैप्लॉइड containing n number of chromosome or 23 chromosome. बट जेतबेले फीमेल गैमेट संगे फ्यूज होची, फर्टिलाइजेशन जेतबेले होची, सेतबेले पुणी थरे से यंग वन और जो जाइगोट फॉर्म होची ताइरे हमरो डिप्लॉयसी मेंटेन होची, माने 46 क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट होची जाइगोट रे. सो 23 फ्रॉम स्पर्म, 23 फ्रॉम एग. सो it is maintained. Next, third point, during meiosis 1 process crossing over takes place which brings about variation. meiosis 1 कोन reductional division, reduction होची, number of chromosome reduce होची, plus सेतबेले changes होची, crossing over होची. crossing over हवा फल रे variation आसुची. variation माने कोन changes. So we'll see changes in the offspring. Next, it plays an important role in organic evolution. So these are the significance of spermatogenesis. Next, hormonal control of spermatogenesis. So next we'll study hormonal control of spermatogenesis. So hormonal control of spermatogenesis देखो, first of all कौन होची, हमरो already जानी छे hypothalamus gonadotrophin releasing hormone को cause करूची release of gonadotrophin releasing hormone. So gonadotrophin releasing hormone is released from hypothalamus. Then this gonadotrophin releasing hormone कौन करिबो, stimulate करिबो anterior lobe of pituitary को. It will stimulate your anterior lobe of pituitary. So anterior lobe of pituitary कौन produce करिबो, FSH and LH. So it will produce FSH and LH. So FSH कौन काम करूची, तापर देखिबा FSH acts on your Sertoli cell of seminiferous tubule. So seminiferous tubule रे हमर Sertoli cell present अछि, FSH Sertoli cell रे काम करिवो, तारा काम Sertoli cells पाखरे. तो Sertoli cells रे कोन प्रोड्यूस करिवो, FSH जोगु Sertoli cells कोन प्रोड्यूस करिवो, एंड्रोजन बाइंडिंग प्रोटीन आउ इनहिबिन, ए दीटा हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस करिवो. एंड्रोजन बाइंडिंग प्रोटीन here basically हम जोड़ा कथा होचे एंड्रोजन विषय. here एंड्रोजन is a testosterone. Okay, so it will bind or increase the concentration of testosterone. So ABP रो काम कोन, it will increase the testosterone concentration in seminiferous tubule. Next, तो टेस्टोस्टेरोन हार्मोन इंक्रीज हवा जोगु सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल रे टेस्टोस्टेरोन इंक्रीज होची, तो ताको कंट्रोल के करिवो, इनहिबिन. इनहिबिन कोन करिवो, सप्रेस करिवो, सप्रेस द एफएसएच सिंथेसिस. सो इनहिबिन एफएसएच को सिंथेसिस करिबार, टेस्टोस्टेरोन सिंथेसिस करिबाटो स्टॉप करिवो, सप्रेस करिवो, जहा फल रे कि डिक्रीज इन टेस्टोस्टेरोन और टेस्टोस्टेरोन सिक्रीशन विल स्टॉप. सो FSH, ABP आउ इनहिबिन सिक्रीट करूची. नेक्स्ट LH ल्यूटेनाइजिंग हार्मोन. LH कोन प्रोड्यूस और का ऊपर एक्ट करिवो, LH एक्ट ऑन लेडिक सेल्स ऑफ टेस्टिस. इट एक्ट्स ऑन लेडिक सेल्स ऑफ टेस्टिस. ओके, सो लेडिक सेल्स LHS रो प्रेजेंस रे कोन प्रोड्यूस करिवो, टेस्टोस्टेरोन हार्मोन. टेस्टोस्टेरोन रो काम कोन, से मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव टिश्यूज जकर डेवलपमेंट रे हेल्प करिवो, प्लस सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर. इट विल प्रमोट the secondary sexual characters. इठी मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव टिश्यूज माने कोन, हमर टेस्टिस, प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड ए सब जाकर डेवलपमेंट रे हेल्प करिवो, प्लस प्रमोट सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर, चेंज इन वॉइस, then I can say arrival of hairs in the body, etc. That is your secondary sexual character. In next video we'll study about the structure of sperm.